Flexible programming options. 4-quart capacity. Mix and match temperature with your choice of cooking times. More programming options than Crock-Pot Smart-Pot slow cooker. Easy programmable meals, no watching or stirring. Hamilton Beach Programmable Slow Cooker. Know when dinner will be ready with flexible programming options. With the Hamilton Beach Programmable Slow Cooker, making a delicious, home-cooked meal is as easy as putting a few ingredients in the crock and turning it on. Its 4-quart capacity and oval shape make it ideal for cooking a 4 pounds chicken or roasting meat to perfection. And with more programming options than Crock-Pot Smart-Pot, this Hamilton Beach slow cooker gives you the ultimate selection of temperature and cooking time combinations. There's no need to monitor the cooking process. The wraparound element provides even heating that doesn't require stirring. Once cooking time is up, the slow cooker automatically switches to warm. When you're done, both the lid and crock remove easily and can go into the dishwasher for cleanup. Top reviews from the United States. Best slow cooker. I had a large slow cooker, Crock-Pot, that was given to me many years ago. It was wonderful. However, with my rheumatoid arthritis, it was not feasible for me to use it because of the stress it put on my joints with the weight heaviness of the inner liner ceramic pot. It sat in a cabinet for years. A few weeks ago, I was in Walmart and saw a Tyson pork roast kit in the meat section, which I bought. I didn't want to pull out the heavy, joint-stressing crock-pot I've had for years, so I searched for a new, more compatible, slow cooker on Amazon. I spent a lot of time researching. I finally decided on the Hamilton Beach 4-quart, and it was one of the best decisions I've made when it comes to cookware. I've been beyond thrilled.